Today, banggood.com sent us these LENOVO XT95 ThinkPlus Live AirPods. Now, these AirPods are specified as having a Bluetooth distance of 10 meters, a working time of 3.5 hours. To charge these AirPods using a charge case, it will take around 1 hour, with the charge case taking around 2 hours to fully charge from flat. Inside the box, we've got some basic packaging. We've got a simple user manual, a micro USB charge cable, and yes, we've got, wow, a very flat LENOVO charge case. Look at that. Now, these are super duper flat and will fit easily within your pockets without them looking too obvious. Below the charge case, we've got that micro USB charge port. We've got that LENOVO logo to the top of the lid, and opening up that lid, it is indeed magnetically sealed. Although, if you've not got much of a nail, it's kind of hard to open. Inside the case, well, there's a charge indication level sitting just central of those earbuds. Now, the earphones do sit within those embedded sockets. They are magnetically pulled in. As you can see, we've got those dual charge pins just below. And when you take these earphones out, they will automatically go into sync mode, so you'll be free to basically sync them up to your mobile phone, Android device, or even a TV. Now, looking closely at the earphones themselves, they are ergonomically shaped to the contours of your ears. They are super duper small. Look how thin they are, they look like a blade. Whoosh. Each earphone has a microphone built in. They also have touch controls to the sides, and I got to be honest, I really do love the gloss white colour tone. They also do come in a black colour tone too, but placing them in, wow, these XT95s certainly do feel very comfortable. Now, because they're light, they stick within your ears, not falling out, not even once. And because we've used these for a good couple of hours, our ears never felt sweaty. Music wise though, after listening to many genres of music, this is where these XT95s are very surprising. Now, although the volume isn't super loud, they are just about loud enough. I wouldn't say that they have an exquisitely good sound seal, but when it does come to all those levels, the treble sounds fantastic, the bass is nice and smooth. Don't get me wrong, with that bass I would prefer it to have a bit more of a thump. And when it comes to the mid-tones is quite fine. Okay, sometimes the vocals can sound a bit steps back with certain genres of music, but overall with the low tone sounding on point, I can't really grumble about the music quality, and the polarity between both drivers is spot on also. Now, these LENOVO XT95s have Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, so nope, you shouldn't have any random disconnections whatsoever. They are, by the way, IPX5 waterproof, so you can use them out and about in the rain. And when it comes to those touch controls, they have all the relevant functions, such as voice assistant, play pause call answering, and previous and next track selections. You do get a good reaction time with those touch controls too, and well, for the price of just £18, that's 24 in US dollars. Today, overall, I'm going to give these LENOVO XT95 TWS earphones a rating of 9 out of 10. Now, I will leave a buy it now link for these earphones in the video description down below. Please go and take a look for yourselves, and if you've liked what you've seen today, well, why not go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please smash a like on this video, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe as well as hit that bell notification option to show some support. So yes, stay tuned for more tech reviews coming in real soon, in the next few days in fact. But as usual, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching today. Peace!